Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we'll learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 5, exercise 6D, chapter 6 and chapter name is decimals of class 6 of new learning composite mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise 6D questions 1 to 5 of chapter decimals and topics are like and unlike decimals and comparing and ordering decimals. Let's solve some questions. Now we will solve question number 1. Question number 1 is state the number of decimal places in first bit is 6.348. We have to find the number of decimal places in the decimal number. The number of decimal places in 6.348 is after decimal point. This is a decimal point symbolized with dot symbol. After decimal point there are three numbers, three digits. So the number of decimal places in 6.348 is 3. B. 0.4. The number of decimal places in 0.4 is after decimal point only one digit 4 is there. So the number of decimal places in 0.4 is 1. C. 22.7813. The number of decimal places in 22.7813 is after decimal point there are 4 digits 7, 8 and 1 and 3. So after decimal places there are 4 digits. So the number of decimal places in 22.7813 is 4. D. 7.0029. The number of decimal places in 7.0029 is after decimal point there are 4 digits. So the number of decimal places in 7.0029 is 4. Now we will solve question number 2. Question number 2 is convert each set of decimals into like decimals. First bit is 4.01, 6.7, 24.352 and 0.023. These are the given decimals and we have to convert these sets of decimals into like decimal. Like decimal is number of decimal places in each decimal is equal. Here the maximum number of decimal places in this set of decimal is 3. Here 24.352. After decimal point the 3 digits are there. So maximum number of decimal places in these given sets of decimals is 3. So we have to express all these remaining decimals into equivalent decimals having 3 decimal places. So first 4.01. Given the first decimal is 4.01, we have to convert this decimal into 3 places. After decimal point 3 digits will be there. Here 4.01 only 2 digits are there, so we have to add 0 after decimal point 010. So 4.01 will be 4.01 equal to 4.010. Now this is equivalent decimal with 24.352. As there are three digits after the decimal point. And 6.7. Now 6.7 we have to add two zeros as only up one digit is there. After decimal point only one digit 7 is there, so we have to add 20 to convert this decimal number into equivalent decimal. We have to add 2 zeros. So 6.7 equal to 6.700, which is equivalent decimal with the decimals 4.010 and 24.352. Now 24.352 already it has 3 decimal points decimal places after the decimal point. 352, 3 decimal digits after the decimal point. Now 0.023. 0.023 has also 3 digits after the decimal point, which is equivalent decimal with the decimal numbers 4.010, 6.700, 24.352. So now we get 4.010, 6.700, 24.352 and 0.023. All these four are equivalent decimals having three decimal places after the decimal point. So therefore 4.010, 6.700, 24.352 and 0.023 are like decimals having three places of decimals after the decimal point. Now we will solve question number 3. Question number 3 is insert less than, greater than or equal to make each statement true. First bit is 6.29 dash 7.58. While we have to compare these two decimals numbers. While comparing the decimals, first we have to compare each digits. If both have equal digits, then go to the next place value digits and compare. If that place value digits have also next digits also have same digits both, then we have to go to next place value digits and so on. Here 6.29 and 7.58. 6. Here 6 in first decimal, number 6, digit 6 is there and 7.58, 7. We know 6 is less than 7, so 6.29 is less than 7.58. Now we'll solve question number second bit B. 29.13 and 29.13-19.86. We have to compare these two decimals. While comparing the decimals, we have to compare each digits. If both have equal digits, then go to the next place value digits and so on. Here first digit is 2. In first decimal 29.13, first digit is 2, and in 19.86, first digit is 1. We know 2 is greater than 1, so 29.13 will be greater than 19.86. Now we have to solve question number third bit C. 0.4-0.6. We have to compare these two decimals. While comparing the decimals, we have to compare each digits. If both have equal digits, then go to the next place value digits and compare and so on. Here first digit in whole number 0. In first decimal 0.4, 0 is there, and here 0.6, 0 is there. Both have equal digits, so we have to go to the decimal place value digits. Here in 0.4 after decimal point 4 is there, and in 0.6 after decimal point 6 is there. We know 4 is less than 6, so 0.4 will be less than 0.6. So 0.4 is less than 0.6. Now we'll solve question number fourth bit D. 0.49-0.50. We have to compare these two decimals. While comparing the two decimals, we have to compare each decimal digits. If both have equal number of digits, then go to the next place value digits and compare and so on. Here in first decimal 0.49, first digit is 0. In whole number part 0 is there. In 0.50, in whole number part 0 is there. Both have equal digits, so we have to go to the fractional parts. In after decimal point in fractional part 4 is there in 0.49 and in 0.50 after decimal point in fractional part 5 is there. We know 4 is less than 5. So 0.49 will be less than 0.50. So 0.49 is less than 0.50. Now we'll solve question number 5th bit E 0.8 dash 0.80. While comparing the decimal, we have to compare each digits. If both have equal digits, then go to the next place value digits and compare and so on. Here in whole number part 0 is there in 0.8, in 0.80 whole number part 0 is there, both have equal digits, so we have to go to the fractional part. In after decimal point in 0.8 fractional part is 8, in 0.80 after decimal point fractional part is also 8, both have equal digits 8. Next we have to go to the next place value digits. In 0.8 only one digits after the decimal, so we have to convert this 0.8 to the equivalent decimal or like decimals. As 0.80 have two digits after the decimal point. In 0.80 two digits are there after decimal, in 0.8 only one digits after decimal, so we have to convert the 0.8 into a like decimals to add 10 after the decimals. Now it will be 0.8 equal to 0.80. Equal number of decimal places, which will now 0.8 is equal to 0.80. Both are like decimals. So 0.8 is equal to 0.80. Both are like decimals. 0.8 equal to 0.80. Now we'll solve question number 4. Question number 4 is arrange the numbers in order from the least to the greatest, ascending order. That is, we have to arrange these given decimals into ascending order. In ascending order, that is least to the greatest, smallest to the greatest number. While comparing the decimals, we have to compare each digits. If both have equal digits, then go to the next place value digits and compare and so on. Here in three decimals are there given 7.4043, 7.403 and 7.304. These are the three decimals given, and we have to arrange these decimals in ascending order, that is least to the greatest. Here in compare the place digits, first we have to compare the whole number part. All have 7 in whole number part, so we have to go to the next fractional part digits. We have to compare the fractional part digits now. After decimal point in 7.043 the digit is 0. In 7.403 after decimal point in fractional part 4 is there, and in 7.304 after decimal point the digit 3 is there. We know 0 is less than 3 is less than 4. We know 0 is less than 3, less than 4. So we have 7.043 is less than 7.304. 7.043 is less than 7.304 is less than 7.403. Now the decimal numbers, arranging the decimal numbers in ascending order. are 7.043, 7.304 and 7.403. Now we'll solve question number 5. Question number 5 is arrange the numbers in order from the greatest to the least, that is descending order. We have given the decimal numbers and we have to arrange the decimal numbers in descending order. First bit is 47.63, 47.636 and 46.736. These are the three decimals given and we have to arrange these decimals in descending order, that is greatest to the least value. While comparing the decimals, we have to compare each digits. If both have equal digits, then we have to go to the next place value digits and compare and so on. First, we have to equate the same number of decimal places. That is, we have to express each decimals in equivalent decimals or like decimal. That is, we have to express all the digits are equal after decimal place. After decimal point, all decimals have equal number of digits after decimal point. Here maximum number of digits after decimal point is 3. Here in decimal 47.636, after decimal point there are 3 digits 6, 3 and 6. 3 digits in 47.63, 2 digits are there, and in 46.736 3 digits are there after decimal. So we have to convert the decimal 47.63 into like decimal by adding 1 0 after the decimal point. So now it will be 47.63 will be 47.630. 47.636, this decimal have equal decimal places, that is 3, and 46.736 has also 3 decimal place after the decimal point. Now we have 47.63 is equal to 47.630 and 47.636 equal to 47.636, which have 3 decimal digits after the decimal point, and 46.736 equal to 46.736, which is equal after the decimal point there are 3 digits. Now comparing, we have 47.630. Now comparing, we have to compare the numbers in descending order. So 47.736 is greater than 47.636 is greater than 47.63. 47.636 is greater than 47.63 is greater than 46.736. In 47.63 and 47.636 both have same whole number part 47 and 47, but in 46.736 whole number part is 46. So the least decimal will be 46.736. This is the smallest decimal, 46.736. So we have to compare 47.63 and 47.636. Between these two decimals, 47 and 47 both are equal. Then we have to go to the fractional part. After decimal, 6 is there, 6 3. In 47.636 also 6 3 are there. So and up 630, we know 0 is less than, this 0 is less than 6. So 47.636 is the greatest decimal number. So 47.636, we know 6 is greater than 0. So 47.636 is the greatest decimal. Then 47.630, that is 47.63. Then this is the smallest decimal number, 46.736. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.